In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Zoom account on your phone in 2021. So the first thing you need to do is go to a web browser on your phone. This can be Google, Chrome, Safari, whatever browser you want to go ahead and use. And then in the search bar of Google, you want to type in Zoom. So I've typed in Zoom on Google, so I'll go ahead and tap on the first result to take me to the Zoom website. And there is the possibility to do this from within the app if you go ahead and download that, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it from within a browser. So the first step would be to go ahead and to tap on those three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. Then you can see a sign in button at the bottom, tap on that. And now because we don't have an account, you can see a new to Zoom sign up free button at the bottom right hand corner, tap on that. And then you'll just need to put in your birthday, so I'll go ahead and do that. Once you've filled in your birthday, tap on continue. And now you just have to put in your email address. I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Just give me a second. Okay, so I've entered in my email address. Now I'll go ahead and tap on sign up. And now it says we've sent an email to your email address. Click on the confirmation link to that email to begin using Zoom. So what I need to do now is go ahead and check my email. Okay, so I'm now in my email address. Now you can see the Zoom email at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. And it says welcome to Zoom. And you have to activate your account by tapping the orange activate account button. Tap on that. And now to finalize your account, you just have to put in your first name and your last name. And then go ahead and select a password. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I filled in my name, my password, and now it says, are you signing up on behalf of a primary or secondary K-12 institution? I'm just going to select no for that, then tap on continue. And I just skipped the next step of inviting colleagues, so I'll tap on next. And it takes me back to that step. I need to tap on I'm not a robot and then tap on skip this step. And it says excellent, now it's time to start a meeting, and you can go ahead and start your meeting from here or download the app and then log in with those credentials that you just used, and then you can begin using Zoom. So that is how to create a Zoom account on your phone in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.